Tornado out there. Balcony's been shredded. Winds are at 120 to 150 kilometers an hour. It's a freaking tornado. The worst. Oh, wow, it even disengaged my wheel. That's cool. Knocked everything down. The umbrella's still intact. If it's not there, there's a tree. This is what I'm talking about. A fucking tornado. I even ripped the fucking door open. This is a tornado. Woo! Never seen my flag shoot with this before. This is the ultimate test. Got a fucking tornado in Toronto. Oh. Wow. Got a fight with all my other chairs blown away. Fences, oh, the board, shit. Wow, that's been knocked clean. Holy fuck. And the wires didn't hold still that time. Wow. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's alright, I got it. Look at that tornado. Holy fucking shit. There we are. We actually got a tornado in Toronto. Closing at about 150 kilometers an hour winds up to that. That's a steel chair over there. That's another steel one. Garbage head didn't get blown over yet, but the plants all got knocked over. And they weigh in excess of about 40 kilos each. Which means I can't even lift them. Oh man, my cupboards got knocked over too. And my lemon tree. Oh, that's just great. And oh, wood blew down. Holy shit. And what else caused car lamps to go off? Because something just hit the vehicles back there, and they didn't. I'm not gonna bother zooming because it'll be useless. You got a bit to clean up after this. Once this is over anyway. Yeah, documenting the tornado. The worst of it blew through and I missed it. Let me just... There we are. Beautiful, fantastic tornado. Well, it passed over. It's just now we just got a hurricane. This was not even documented in the weather network. It only said winds are up to 80. This isn't 80 when it knocks over all the plants and tries to push the table over. That's for fucking sure. Holy shit, it cleared the turntable off the table, including my candles. God fucking damn it. Lucky they were covered. Knocked over the fag windmills. Yeah, that's a tornado for you. Whoa. And there's lightning striking the buildings too. That's even more beautiful. Here we come. Here's more of it. Hope I don't get hit with a piece of wood. It's my first ever storm casing experience. Holy shit. Wow. Heavy rain. Woo! Well, here's what happened. The trees over there got blown over. Let me adjust the EV so you can see how severe it was. Holy shit. Look at that. The trees got knocked over there. 4 trees got knocked right over. That's why we had a tornado. And those trees are at least 70 years old. Before I was born, those trees were in the neighborhood. Wow. That's old. And a lot more of my ornaments got knocked out. The flags got stretched to hell and now are tangled. One of the clips broke. I gotta secure that. So I'm gonna go out there and secure it before I lose everything. Damn plastic clip. Now I know I'm gonna have to use calipers. Lucky I bought some. Cheap. Thank goodness they're tangled. Now it's heavy rain. I can't believe we actually got a fucking tornado. That was a shock. It said nowhere in the weather network that we'd actually get a tornado. But we got a fucking tornado. We did get a fucking tornado. Okay, there's the trees over there. You can see that got blown over. And there's some over there too. It's awful. Really awful. But what can you do? Oh, here it whips up again. See that mist? No telling, no denying. No denying that mist. I'm glad to be documenting this. Ah, some more guts got in my case. Sorry, that phone call is gonna have to wait. This is more important than a phone call. Far more important. Wow. Man, I'm chilly. Oh, they haven't gone outside at all. They're hiding. My poor radio is toast. That's gotta sit for about a whole week. I unplugged it because the sound just quit on it. Not about to have it die on me. So let it sit for a week, then I can power it back on. Damn good old Sony megaphone. Well, it has a megaphone feature, but whatever. I can't get sound out no more until that thing dries. Fuck me. That's one of the consequences of having an unprotected outdoor radio. Wow. Sound of a shitstorm. Now, maybe I can try and zoom in on it again. Ah, there's the trees. Center of the damage. Holy shit. Wow. Woo. Oh, my laundry lines are in the tree too. That's nice. And it cleaned off whatever was stuck on them. I'll have to go look for them later once the rain is done. And pick up all my fans. And straighten the goddamn wheel. Luckily none of the cards got lost on it. That was a dead... Oh, probably some got lost. I don't know. They're zip tied on, but still. My moonlights are dead too. That sucks. That really sucks. Oh, what a mess. Post-tornadoism. What can you do? What the fuck can you do? It's so fucking amazing. You get so bad weather, and I'm lucky I get to not go out. Here it comes again. Less severe though. I'm so glad I didn't go out today. Otherwise, I would have been severely injured or trapped or who knows what. I would have had no choice but to dismount and lock my bike. That's the only choice I would have had. To dismount and lock it. And let the wind blow through and get utterly drenched. Or find shelter, if I can. If any of these fucking restaurants would even let anyone in. That is the question. I feel bad for the couriers. I am one of them. I don't do it as often, but geez, I feel bad for them. Because their orders could be, in fact, delayed. Delayed. You know what I'm talking about, delayed. Anyways. Wacko de dacko. That's a lot of bad weather. And some much needed rain. Beautiful. Poor trees. I mean, fuck. Damn it. Well, I cleaned up whatever I could clean up. Still a bit of a mess. All the plant pots I still gotta fix up. Now, let's see what the tornado did. Now that the rain is gone. Wheels are back. So I straighten them, fans are uprighted. Holy Toledo. Yep, that was a tornado. Let's see here. Let's fucking see. That was expected. As to how many trees got knocked over. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Oh, we gotta make sure I don't trip over the shit. Woo! Let's take a look through the ravine wall. Coming from here. This is already over. Oh, there's some new ones that were knocked. Oh my gosh. That's freshly snapped. Came from above. Whew. That one too. Oh my fucking god, that's where it came from. And it was all being blown in the circle because these are not facing the same direction they originally fell in. Poor maple. Poor maple. Damn it. Look at this. That stub you're seeing over there, that also broke off because of the wind, but that was actually hit by a truck before, so whatever. Oh, some new losses. No doubt some new losses inside there. Past the ravine wall. Can't get through there, can't film there. Wow. Post-tornado. Rockcliffe, Smythe, Symes, Woolner. Two of the interlacing neighborhoods. Holy crap. And I got the best of it. Even some of the worst of it. Poor pigeon. He's soaked. Whew. I know where that came from. That came from that stump. It'll take a few days for the contractors to get all this out. Oh, nasty. This old tree. Well, part of it got snapped off, but still, at least she's still living. Holy shit. Nothing over there that got knocked over. I'm actually quite surprised nothing did. Nothing got knocked over there. Only the gate got damaged, but blew the gates over. We gotta fix that. Probably over there some cars probably got damaged. Over here, some of the trees went on their side too. Wow. Wow. Oh, and this is all completely flooded. I wonder how the Rockcliffe Smythe neighborhood in general is doing. I gotta take a ride now this is over. No doubt somebody lost quite a few things. Look at that flooding. It's about 20 centimeters of water right there in height. And it did spill over. Whew. Here's some extras. Yep, tornado. The fence got ripped clean off.